How to add text outline in Canva.
Go to Text and select any text style you want, and write your desired text.
Now go to the effects.
Select Text Outline. Select your text outline color.
Select the text fill color of your choice.
And here we are done. To increase or decrease the thickness of the outline, just go to the effects and increase or decrease the thickness by dragging the bar.
Hope you like this. If any suggestions, please let us know in the comments section. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you. Have a great day.